My best and excellent good day. This is David, physical therapist. Let me talk to you about today boot compression. Boot compression therapy. It increases circulation, pushes out inflammation and free radicals, reduces swelling fast, and accelerate tissue healing. This is something that you want your physical therapist to bring to your house. So let's compare situations without the proper blood flow or without the benefits of boot compression. Oxygen delivery drops, tissue repair slows, pain increases, mobility goes down. With compression boot therapy at our disposal, it filters out stagnation, increases nutrient oxygen rich delivery, including minerals, restore healthy circulation, and prepare tissues for healing. So, what are the benefits in the proven rehab? Reduces edema in minutes, speeds up recovery, improve venous return, lowers inflammation, enhances lymphatic drainage, decreases heaviness and fatigue, reduces delayed onset of muscle fatigue, and improves range of motion. Allows to bring you the best to your house. You deserve the best. So, boot compression plus manual therapy and our strength and conditioning programs, our mobility drills are the excellent, good way of looking at combining these two strategies for you. Why do we choose to use this boot compression at high end points? Is because it's faster healing for you, faster tissue repair, better progression, safer and better mobility, better long term outcomes. We know based on the evidence that this is true. If you want the best, you deserve the best. Get back on it. Get back to your previous level of function. Allow us to be your best solution for your post operation or for your needs to control the healing process. We wish you the best.